Did you know that bananas are actually berries, while strawberries aren't? It's a surprising twist in the fruit world. And speaking of surprises, octopuses are fascinating creatures with 3 hearts and blue blood. Imagine that. Then there's the Turritopsis dohrnii, a jellyfish that can essentially live forever. It's like nature's own version of a superhero. Now, let's talk about the Eiffel Tower. Did you know it can grow taller in the summer? When the heat hits, the metal expands, giving a little boost. And here's a mind bender. AI once created its own secret language that humans couldn't decipher. Just think about the possibilities and mysteries hidden in our world.